Have you ever taken a moment to think about the vast and varied animal kingdom that exists around us? It's a world teeming with life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales. Each and every creature is a testament to the beauty and diversity of life on our planet. Now let's take a trip down the rabbit hole into the fascinating world of animals. Picture this: over 8 million different species share this world with us. Yes, you heard that right, 8 million. And that's just the ones we know about. Scientists estimate that there could be millions, if not billions more yet to be discovered. It's a veritable treasure trove of life waiting to be explored. When we say the word animals, what comes to mind? Perhaps it's the mammals like us humans, or our furry friends like dogs and cats. Or maybe it's the birds with their vibrant feathers and melodious songs, or the fish gliding effortlessly through the water. But let's not forget about the insects, the most numerous animals on Earth, or the reptiles and amphibians, with their scaly skins and fascinating life cycles. Each category of animals is a world unto itself, filled with unique and fascinating creatures. From the highest mountains to the deepest seas, from the hottest deserts to the coldest tundras, animals have adapted to survive and thrive in every corner of our planet. They have evolved over millions of years, each one perfectly suited to its environment and way of life. They can do things that are beyond our wildest dreams, from flying without wings to breathing underwater, from surviving in scorching heat to living in freezing cold. As we delve into their world, we discover a realm of incredible complexity and diversity, a world that is full of surprises and wonders. It's a journey of discovery that never ends, because each new day brings with it the possibility of a new discovery, a new understanding, a new appreciation for the amazing world of animals. As we delve in deeper, we'll uncover some mind-boggling facts about these incredible creatures. Did you know that the largest animal ever to exist on Earth is currently swimming in our oceans? That's right. The blue whale holds this record, dwarfing even the most massive dinosaurs. It's difficult to grasp the true enormity of this marine giant, but imagine a creature as long as 3 school buses parked end to end. That's about the length of a blue whale, which can reach up to 98 feet. Now let's talk about weight. Picture 15 adult elephants. That's approximately the weight of a mature blue whale, tipping the scales at a staggering 200,000 pounds. But despite their colossal size, blue whales are surprisingly graceful swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. And how does this giant of the sea feed? You might be surprised to learn that the blue whale's diet consists almost exclusively of tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. During feeding season, a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a single day. It's a testament to the adaptability of life on Earth that the largest creature depends on one of the smallest for its survival. But what about the land? The most massive land animal alive today is the African elephant. Males can stand up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh as much as 14,000 pounds. That's about the same weight as 10 small cars. Like the blue whale, the African elephant has adapted to its environment in remarkable ways. Its large ears help to dissipate heat, and its long trunk serves as a versatile tool for feeding, drinking, and even social interactions. The blue whale and the African elephant, 2 giants of their respective domains. Each impressive in their own right, they're a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its giants, but what about the smallest creatures? Join us as we delve into this fascinating topic in our next segment. While we marvel at the giants, the smallest creatures in the animal kingdom hold their own surprises. In the vast tapestry of biodiversity, every corner, nook, and cranny is filled with life. Some of the most remarkable inhabitants of this intricate web are the tiny creatures that often go unnoticed. They may be minuscule, but they are mighty in their own unique ways. Take for instance the bumblebee bat, also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat. This tiny creature is the smallest mammal in the world by length. It barely reaches 1.5 inches in size, which is about the same size as a large bumblebee, hence the name. But don't let its size fool you. This pint-sized powerhouse can fly at a speed of 5 miles per hour, and it uses echolocation, a sophisticated radar-like system, to navigate through the darkness and capture insects in mid-flight. Similarly, the pygmy marmoset, the smallest monkey in the world, is another tiny titan of the animal kingdom. Weighing just over 3.5 ounces, these diminutive primates have a body length of about 5 inches. Yet, They are agile climbers, thanks to their sharp claws and a specialized bone in their wrist, allowing them to rotate their arms almost 180 degrees. They have a unique survival strategy too. They feed primarily on tree sap, which is a food source many other animals can't utilize. These are just a couple of examples of how the smallest creatures in the animal kingdom have adapted and evolved to survive and thrive. They may be small, but their survival strategies are ingenious, demonstrating that size isn't everything. In fact, it's often the smallest creatures that make the biggest impact on their ecosystems. From the largest to the smallest, animals showcase a spectacular range of sizes. But what about their lifespans? Scene script. Can you imagine living for centuries? Some animals do. Let's dive into the depths of the chilly Arctic waters, where the bowhead whale makes its home. These magnificent creatures are among the longest-lived mammals on Earth, with some even reaching ages of over 200 years. Fascinating, isn't it? Their secret to longevity lies in their genes, which help them resist diseases and slow down the aging process. Now let's travel a bit deeper into the icy waters where we'll find the elusive Greenland shark. Don't let their slow and sluggish movements fool you. These sharks are the true Methuselahs of the animal kingdom. They can live for up to 500 years, making them the longest living vertebrates known to man. Their slow metabolism and cold environment contribute to their long lifespans, allowing them to witness centuries of history unfold beneath the waves. But what if I told you there's an animal that may have found the secret to immortality? Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, popularly known as the immortal jellyfish. This small transparent creature has a unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. In essence, it has the ability to age backward, making it potentially immortal under natural conditions. However, it's crucial to remember that despite their long lifespans, these creatures aren't invincible. They face numerous threats due to human activities such as hunting, pollution, and climate change. By understanding and respecting their lifespans, we can work towards protecting them and ensuring their survival for centuries to come. So the next time you wish for immortality, remember these incredible creatures who've practically achieved it. Our world is full of such wonders, where animals have evolved and adapted in ways that never cease to amaze us. Whether they're living for centuries or just a few days, each animal plays a vital role in our ecosystem. Let's cherish and protect them, as each creature, no matter how small or how old, contributes to the rich tapestry of life on our planet. As we marvel at the wonders of the animal kingdom, it's essential to remember our role in their survival. We've journeyed through the unseen world around us, marveled at the giants of the land and sea, admired the tiny yet mighty, and celebrated those who've lived through the ages. But now, we must turn our gaze towards the future. The world is a symphony of biodiversity, a captivating array of species, each with unique traits, habitats, and roles in the ecosystem. From the towering giraffe grazing on treetops to the invisible plankton, the lifeblood of our oceans, each creature plays a part in the grand tapestry of life. Yet this symphony is threatened. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation are pushing many species towards the brink of extinction. The loss of a single species can have ripple effects throughout an ecosystem, disrupting the delicate balance of nature. But there's hope. Each of us has the power to make a difference. By learning about these fascinating creatures and their habitats, we can better understand their needs and challenges. Knowledge is the first step towards action. It's about making conscious choices, like reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable practices, and standing against wildlife trafficking. Conservation isn't just about protecting animals, it's about safeguarding the health of our planet for future generations. We are custodians of this world, and it's our responsibility to ensure that the symphony of life continues to play its beautiful, complex melody. So let's commit to learning more, to taking steps towards protecting these diverse species, and to respecting the sanctity of their habitats. Let's be the change we wish to see, for the sake of these amazing creatures, and for the future of our planet. The more we learn about these incredible creatures, the more we realize how much beauty and wonder exists in the world around us. Remember, every creature, no matter how big or small, has a story worth telling and a life worth protecting.